Pune top cop in a news conference that he conducted just a short while ago, where he went on to say that in the 2 blood samples that were taken of the minor, the first one, the sample of the minor, was actually thrown into the dustbin and it was replaced with another blood sample in order to put out a report that the minor was not drunk. This happened at the Sassoon hospital, after which 2 doctors of that government hospital have been arrested. Their phones are now being probed in order to see if they actually were in touch with the minor's family. This, of course, is a statement that has been made by the Pune top cop in that news conference, where he said that the doctor, Dr. Tavre, did get in touch with the juvenile's father. And there was a clear attempt to cover up, is an admission that has been made by the Pune top cop. Priyanka, I want to come back to you because this is an extremely important angle. Republic pursued this, and Arnab Goswami, who in that direct confrontation with the Pune Police Commissioner had sought details on the blood samples that were taken. Of course, varying statements that come in there also. But now with this latest development that the actual blood sample of the juvenile was thrown in the bin and it was replaced with another sample in order to botch up the actual report to prove that the minor was not drunk, which was not the case.
Well, absolutely. A very important point that we are speaking about now, Suesha, because this is a huge part of the investigation that had been completely botched up. And we had seen in that confrontation that our editor-in-chief had with the Commissioner of Police as well, where he had no answers to give as far as the blood reports go. And today we understand as to why he was even evading those questions, because now we have a clarity as to how the police is also saying that the initial blood reports and the samples that had been taken had been thrown in the dustbin, and after that we see that this pizza burger party that went on, and then post which now we are looking at another sample that had been collected. So a lot of lapses as far as the blood reports also go, and of course we are looking at Dr. A.A. Bhosle and A. Sridhar, in fact, who have been taken into custody from the Sassoon hospital, where in fact this report was being conducted. Now we are looking at how the police has confirmed that they had in fact thrown the samples, but the question still remains whether Pune police has been absolved of all kind of guilt when this was happening, when this kind of situation was transpiring inside of the hospital, when they were taking a very important blood test to determine whether or not this accused had in fact consumed alcohol or not. So those are the updates, and those are some of the details that are very, very important to note, that help us understand the lapses from the side of the Pune police as well from the very beginning, now that are coming to light. In fact, Republic's investigations impact, because of which now they have to give these kind of updates as well of the blood reports, because we relentlessly had been asking them about this. There have been a lot of lapses around the blood reports and the samples that had been created, something that has now been confirmed by the Pune police as well, saying that these samples had been thrown out. Now that will also be a matter of investigation, as far as the internal inquiry will also be conducted to understand where the lapses had taken place. But very glaringly, very obviously, Suesha, it is visible that there had been lapses, and that there needs to be some questions that need to be answered as to the theories that had been confirmed by the Pune police, and these theories had in fact been floated by S.K. Agarwal.
Oh yes, absolutely, Priyanka. And as you continue with this investigation on the ground, for the moment I want to thank you, but we'll keep coming back to you for the latest updates as we relentlessly pursue this case. And let's understand, viewers, this is exactly a week apart. A week ago, when Arnab Goswami had questioned the Pune top cop on what had happened on the blood samples, how many were taken, at which hospitals, in how much gap. Today, in that news conference is when that admission was made by the Pune Police Commissioner, who went on to say that the blood sample was very much tampered with. The first actual sample of the boy that was thrown into the bin, and it is the second sample, the DNA of which matched with the father. Do take a look at these sequences.
इस मैटर में जो 304 आईपीसी का गुना दाखिल किया गया था, उस केस में आज अर्ली मॉर्निंग आवर्स में 120B आईपीसी क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी, 467 फोर्जरी और 201, 213 और 214 आईपीसी डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस, ये सेक्शंस बढ़ाए गए हैं। इसमें कल इवनिंग आवर्स में हमारे पास फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट्स प्राप्त हुई है और फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट से ये पता चला है कि जो ससून हॉस्पिटल में सैंपल कलेक्ट किया गया था, जिसको वहाँ के डॉक्टर ने सील करके ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नाम लिख करके वो जो फोरेंसिक को भेजा था, वो सैंपल उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नहीं था। ये वो निष्कर्ष पे जो औंध की सैंपल हमने औंध हॉस्पिटल में जो हमने सैंपल सेकेंड सैंपल शाम को ली थी और जिसको डीएनए प्रोफाइलिंग के लिए भेजी थी, उसके तहत ये बात सामने आई। औंध का सैंपल ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का है और वो सैंपल उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड के फादर के डीएनए से भी मैच होता है। मतलब कि औंध का सैंपल एक करेक्ट व्यक्ति का सैंपल था, परंतु जो ससून हॉस्पिटल ने सुबह में जो सैंपल फोरेंसिक को भेजा था, वो सैंपल किसी और व्यक्ति का था। मतलब कि ये सैंपल रिप्लेस किया गया है, ऐसी बात कल फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट प्राप्त होने के बाद समझ में आई। इसके बाद जो डॉक्टर हैं जिन्होंने सील करके ये रिपोर्ट फोरेंसिक को भेजी थी, उनको कल हमने डिटेन किया था। उनके प्राथमिक तपास में ये बात सामने आई कि उन्होंने जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का सैंपल लिया था, लेकिन उसने उसको डस्टबिन में फेंका था और उसने एक किसी और व्यक्ति का सैंपल से उसको रिप्लेस करके उस जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड का नाम लिख करके उसको फोरेंसिक लैब को भेजा था। ये चीज़ उसने डॉक्टर अजय टावरे के ससून हॉस्पिटल के एचओडी फोरेंसिक मेडिसिन के हैं, उनके कहने पे और उनके द्वारा और ये सब मिलके क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी करके ये कंडक्ट उनकी हुई थी। इसलिए कल ये क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी और सभी सेक्शंस जो मैंने बताया, इसके तहत दोनों डॉक्टर्स को अरेस्ट किया गया है। आज हम उनको कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करेंगे और पुलिस कस्टडी रिमांड की रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे। इस मैटर में ससून हॉस्पिटल्स की डीवीआर सीसीटीवीज ताबे में आज अर्ली मॉर्निंग आवर्स में ली गई है और इस मैटर की पूरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू है।